The joy of earning turning passion into profit. Blogging offers a unique platform to share your thoughts, expertise, and passions with a global audience while also generating income. Imagine waking up every morning, eager to work on a project that excites you and aligns with your interests. Whether you're an avid foodie, a travel enthusiast, a tech-savvy individual, or a fashionista, there's a niche audience eager to consume your content. By creating engaging and informative blog posts, you can establish yourself as an authority in your chosen field, attracting a loyal following. This trust forms the foundation for monetizing your blog, as readers are more likely to support bloggers they perceive as knowledgeable and authentic. Blogging provides the flexibility and freedom that traditional employment often lacks. You have the autonomy to set your own hours, work from anywhere in the world, and be your own boss. So if you're ready to embark on this fulfilling adventure, let's explore the various ways you can monetize your blog and turn your passion into a sustainable source of income. Monetizing your passion, exploring avenues for blog income. Once you've established a solid foundation for your blog, with consistent content and a growing readership, it's time to explore the various monetization methods available to bloggers. One popular method is affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with businesses and promoting their products or services on your blog. You earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. Another common monetization strategy is displaying ads on your blog. Platforms like Google AdSense allow you to easily integrate ads into your website's layout. For bloggers with a substantial and engaged following, sponsored posts offer a lucrative monetization opportunity. In addition to these methods, you can also explore selling digital products, such as ebooks, online courses, or printables, directly from your blog. By diversifying your income streams, you create multiple avenues for monetizing your blog and ensuring its long-term sustainability. Finding your niche. Selecting a profitable blogging path. Before diving headfirst into the world of blogging, it's essential to carefully consider your niche. Your niche represents the specific topic or area of interest that your blog will focus on. Start by identifying your passions, interests, and areas where you possess significant knowledge. Once you have a list of potential niches, research their profitability and competition. Look for niches with a large and engaged audience actively seeking information and solutions. While it's important to choose a niche with earning potential, don't solely focus on profitability. Ultimately, the key is to find a balance between profitability, passion, and your ability to differentiate yourself within your chosen niche. The power of content, creating engaging and valuable material. Content is king in the blogging world. Creating high-quality, engaging, and valuable content is essential for attracting readers, establishing your authority, and ultimately monetizing your blog. Start by understanding your target audience. What are their interests, pain points, and aspirations? Conduct thorough research, engage with your audience on social media, and analyze your blog's analytics to gain insights. Craft compelling headlines that grab their attention and entice them to click through to your blog post. The body of your blog post should be well-structured, informative, and engaging. By consistently delivering high-quality content, you'll establish yourself as a trusted source of information within your niche, attracting a loyal following. Driving traffic to your blog. Mastering the art of SEO. Creating great content is only half the battle. You also need to drive traffic to your blog so people can actually read it. Search engine optimization, or SEO, plays a crucial role in improving your blog's visibility in search engine results pages. By optimizing your blog for relevant keywords, you increase your chances of ranking higher in search results and driving more traffic to your website. Keyword research is the foundation of SEO. Identify the keywords and phrases that your target audience is using to search for information related to your niche. Use keyword research tools to discover relevant keywords with high search volume and low competition. Social media marketing is another powerful tool for driving traffic to your blog. Building your blog empire, a beginner's guide to starting and maintaining a successful blog. Embarking on a blogging journey can seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance and determination, you can build a successful blog that generates income and fulfills your passions. First, choose a blogging platform. Select a user-friendly platform like WordPress, Blogger, or Squarespace to host your blog. Next, select a domain name that reflects your blog's niche and is easy to remember. Then, design your blog to be visually appealing and user-friendly. Start creating valuable and engaging content that caters to your target audience. Promote your blog on social media, engage with other bloggers in your niche, and participate in online communities. Once you've built a loyal following, explore monetization methods such as affiliate marketing, display ads, sponsored posts, or selling digital products. Remember, blogging is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay consistent, continue learning, and adapt your strategies as needed.